Hello and welcome back to another video. What you see here is I believe it's a Fanco or spinner. It's another fan I got from Mitch. I don't know what years it's from. I'm guessing it's from the late 80s. It's a really cool fan. It's stencil blades. I've actually got a lot of fans with stencil. So that also that U42, if you can look closely, there's also stencil on the blades. And I got a Moss Tropical Breeze that also has stencil too, which you will see in another video. But you have this fan, it's 36 inches for stencil blades. Stencil is actually really nice. It's reversible. It's a reverse switch. There's a sticker. Made in Taiwan. Another sticker here, UL sticker. I think those are the only two stickers. Yeah. So it's 3-speed. I'm gonna show it on low. Should split. There you go. This fan does wobble, like tried balancing it, it still does not do anything, so it wobbles as it does. And it's not on its original mounting bracket either. It's in the basement, but it does have its bracket. It's in the basement. And as you can tell from other videos that I rigged up a light, or just a desk, like a nightstand light or something. It's still better. So slow speed is pretty fast. And medium. And this is like high speed on some modern spinners. I feel a breeze from there, although I have the gold line in the Banville King arm. Because it's you'll see in another video, it's a model FP36R, but it's like exactly like a CP36. It's labeled under Banville basically. It's in high speed. High speed does fly, it's pretty good. And it likes to wobble too, the chain likes to dance. Yeah, it's also a vented spinner. Seems that one of the blades are warped because one is a tiny bit down and the brackets are perfectly aligned, so that kind of contributes to the wobble. Let's just spin down. I'm gonna try reverse on high, only on high, like what I usually do. the fan that's humming is the 36-inch gold line. Well, spin down was not super long. I'm just showing you enough of this inch. Alright, let's go to high speed. So, when I first tested it, the fan almost twisted off. The yoke was not tightened up to the shaft, so the shaft could just unscrew itself from the yoke, so that almost happened, almost hung by wires. So I'm glad I was fast enough to prevent that. So I tightened this, I found the screw was just loose, so I tightened it up and now it's fine. Well, that's it for this fan. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.